So I'm out there running some errands right now. I got mom with me, or maybe a family pet, okay? So as I run in there, I wanna keep the car on to make sure they're comfortable, because you know it's hot or cold outside, right? So I leave the car on and running, I lock the doors, I go inside. Before you know, it takes longer than 15, 20 minutes. I'm gone for maybe 30 minutes, 40 minutes before I even realize it. But then the problem though is when I come back out, the car has shut off already, because it has a feature when it's idled and stopped and parked for a period of time, it automatically turns off. So your question might be, Chris, is there a way, a loophole maybe, that maybe if I have to go in there for maybe 25 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever the case is, leave my dog in there, or make sure mom is in there and comfortable and she'll thank me about it, later? The answer is yes, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. All right, so here we are right inside the vehicle. We have it on and running. I got the climate control set to what we need to. So I take off my seatbelt. I got the key fob with me. I open up the door. Now, before I lock it all up and leave, I want to make sure I turn around, come right over here, grab the buckle, and then plug it in. That's important, because if I walk away without plugging that in, when I come back after 20 minutes, the car would be off. So that's going to be the loophole right there. So you got to make sure your seatbelt's plugged in. You come back within 25 minutes, the vehicle will be on and still running. Mom's happy, the dog's happy. It's a win. I'm not in the doghouse.